How do you make raw pickled garlic?
Hello there! In this video, we'll be exploring the art of pickling, and not just any pickling but raw pickled garlic. This recipe is quite simple, requires just a few ingredients, and the end result is absolutely worth it. This garlic is perfect for adding a zesty pop of flavor to any dish or just munching on its own.
What do you need?
You won't need a whole lot for this recipe. Here are the ingredients. 2 cups of peeled raw garlic cloves, 1½ cups of apple cider vinegar, 1/2 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Optional. 1 teaspoon of pickling spice, or your preferred herbs and spices additionally. You will need a sterile mason jar, 1 quart size should do, and a pot for boiling the pickling solution.
How do you prepare the garlic?
Firstly, start by peeling your garlic cloves. This can be a bit tedious, but the result is worth it. Next, place your garlic cloves into the mason jar. Try to pack them in nicely without crushing them.
How do you make the pickling solution?
Start by combining your apple cider vinegar, water, sea salt, sugar, and any additional spices in your pot. Bring this mixture to a boil over medium heat. Make sure that the sugar and salt are fully dissolved in the solution. Once boiling, carefully pour the hot pickling solution over the garlic in the jar. Ensure that all the cloves are covered by the solution.
What happens after pickling?
Now comes the waiting game. Seal your jar and let it cool to room temperature. Once cool, place the jar in the fridge. For the best flavor development, wait at least a week before digging into your pickled garlic. However, the longer it sits, the better the flavor will be. That's it. Now you know how to make your own raw pickled garlic at home. Remember, the waiting is the hardest part, but it's totally worth it for that tangy, delicious pickled garlic flavor. Use your pickled garlic to add an exciting burst of flavor to your meals, or enjoy it straight from the jar. We won't judge. Happy pickling!